Hi, enjoy Jog Falls.
Thank you.
Crazy. You
Thank
must
you.
visit it.
I will. Bye. Bye.
Enjoy Jog Falls.
Thank you. Bye. Good morning, namaste, and welcome back to my channel. This is Travelling Yogini Kaz, and the plan for today is to go and see the beautiful Jog Falls in Shamoga. So I plan to get the bus from Gokarna bus station to Shamoga, and as I go I will be giving you all the travel information and of course showing you the beautiful, majestic Jog Falls. So I'm in a bit of a rush this morning. As per usual, I got up late. I don't want to miss my bus, so I'm going to have a bit of a run to the bus station. Now, last night, what I did is I actually made you a video about travel hacks and exactly what to take for you when you travel somewhere like Jog Falls during the monsoon time. So whilst I'm having my run, I will show you those travel hacks and what to pack. So, tomorrow I'm going to be travelling to Jog Falls in Shamoga, and it's the night before, and I like to pack my rucksack the night before because it makes me feel really organised, and it kind of ensures that I don't forget anything. Well, try not to. So, what is going in the rucksack? Well, we are in the middle of monsoon. So when it rains, it pours here. So definitely going to pack an umbrella. And that's a really good quality umbrella. You kind of need it in monsoon time. And because it's quite a way away, as far as I know, it takes 3 hours to get there, 3 hours to get back. But of course, I'll tell you the exact distance and the exact time when I kind of know it myself. Those that watch my vlogs will know that in India, nothing kind of goes on time, or it's not kind of exact how long it takes to get somewhere. But watching this channel, you kind of find out the facts, which is great. So what else is in this rucksack? I'm going to take my hoodie. In South India, it gets really cold at night. And of course, if I'm travelling late, I've got my nice namaste hoodie to put on in case I get a bit cold. And again, rainfall, I'll take a spare pair of leggings, a spare pair of pants, because again, I don't really want to get wet. So thinking about the evenings again, one thing about the evenings here is lots of mosquitoes in the damp. I can see one flying above my head just now actually. So I will pack the mosquito repellent because again I don't really know what time I'm coming back. Now, in addition to when it rains it pours in Gokarna during monsoon, when it's hot, it's very sunny, sun is very strong, so sun protection is going in the rucksack. Pair of sunglasses. And sun cream, sun safety, really, really important. I predict that it will do both tomorrow. Really strong sun and rain, but who knows, because the weather is pretty unpredictable here. Now, we have lifted our lockdown now here in Gokarna, which is great, great news indeed. That's because our curve has flattened. However, they still recommend, or rather it's still the rules, that we travel with a mask. Because I don't really know how long I'm out, and generally speaking they say masks must be changed every 20 minutes. I'm kind of going to pack quite a lot of masks. So as you can see, you kind of have to be super organised with travelling in these unprecedented times. They also say that every 20 minutes you do your hand gel, 20 minutes to half an hour. So I'll take hand gel. So hand gel is also really, really useful here because of going to the toilet. I will certainly need the toilets along the way. So that would be great because we don't always have the soap and water. And another thing I find about travelling in India, there's never any toilet paper. Being from the West, I need toilet paper. So today they weren't really selling any tissues in the shops, but they sold serviettes. So I filled this little packet of tissues up. I finished the tissues, so I've now filled them with serviettes, and that will do for toileting. And the toilets here are the ones where you squat down, because I do a lot of squatting in yoga. I'm quite good now at using the Indian toilet. So I hope you enjoyed this little bit about travel hacks and you found it useful. Namaste. And I decided to give you a couple more travel hacks. So it's important to stay hydrated traveling, you know, in the heat. If it gets very hot tomorrow, I think it might be likely. So lots and lots of water. There's a nice copper container there. Copper is great for the immunity. And of course, in monsoon time, you can get quite sick because of all that rainfall, and it can, you know, the dampness can get on your chest. So perhaps take some water in a nice copper container. And another travel hack is please don't travel with food, because the monkeys, I am 100% sure they will eat it. They may take your bag. So fill up on the way in a cafe perhaps. Stop and got on my bus. It's a bit of a bumpy ride. Woo! We've just had to stop because there was a cow in the road. Okay, so I've got to get a bus to Gokarna first of all, and the cost is 30 rupees and it's 1 hour away. I was told when I first made the inquiry it's only going to take me 2 hours to get to the waterfalls. This morning they told me 6 hours. 2 hours, 6 hours is a big difference. As I say, it's good to watch this channel because you will get the facts, because I kind of do this and then we find out for sure. From Gokarna to Kumta was only 45 minutes, so it was a gorgeous little pleasant bus ride. So I've actually stopped now at Kumta, and they said the bus to Shamoga would be 5 hours, and I thought no way, because then I'd have to find accommodation overnight somewhere, you know, if I'm going to go to Shamoga and see the falls. But then a passenger actually told me to inquire because there could be a more direct bus to the falls. So now they've told me I can get a bus at 10:15 and it'll take 2 hours. I'm going to trust this one simply because I'm at the Kumta bus stand and they would probably know a bit better. So watch this space. As I said earlier, this is the channel to watch because it's a great way to find your way around India when you're traveling. So it is only like 9 o'clock now, so I've got 1 hour and 15 minutes till the bus goes. So I'm just going to chill out and have breakfast, as I said, on one of the travel hacks. Don't carry food because the monkeys will eat it. So I'm just going to sit and fill up on breakfast. And I mean fill up. Look at those puris. Wow, I'm having puris with a chutney sauce and some curry and the all-important chaya. So I'm now on the bus travelling from Kumta to Jog Falls, and it cost 115 rupees. It's 105 miles and I'm loving the bus ride. So before I actually left to go to Jog Falls, my friends wished me well. They told me to enjoy Jog Falls and they all waved me off.
Enjoy Jog Falls.
Thank you. Thank you.
Enjoy Jog Falls. Enjoy Jog Falls.
Thank you.
Enjoy Jog Falls.
Thank you.
Enjoy Jog Falls.
Thank you. Namaste. Thank you. So I have arrived at the National Park, Jog Falls. I am here. It just feels so magical. So the bus took 2.5 hours from Gokarna and cost 115 rupees, which is about £1.20 or around about $2. So I think I thoroughly enjoyed this place. The entry fee was only 10 rupees, which is about 10 pence. And Jog Falls is the highest waterfall here in South India. Wow! I cannot get over the beauty of Jog Falls. They're beautiful in the background. How lucky am I? And just sat amongst the dense forest is just pure nature. And as I said earlier, the falls are created by monsoon. They're the largest falls in South India, second largest falls in the whole of India. Wow! Got more waterfalls set on those rocks. Incredible! I am home now. So in the end I needed to get 2 buses home. And then I needed to get an auto rickshaw. So that's just the way it went because I went to a very, very remote place. But my goodness me, I just feel as if Jog Falls was the beauty of the air. Gorgeous. So the reason that I stopped filming was because by the time I actually got on the bus, I had to stand and it was very overcrowded and it was a very bumpy bus. So, and it was going around all those bends, you know, because of the terrain. And I started to feel really, really sick and I was just feeling very exhausted, standing for a good couple of hours. Then after I got off that bus, I had to get another bus to Gokarna, but that was really comfortable actually. But just got a seat and just felt very, very sleepy. And then by the time I actually got to the comfortable station, they told me that the last bus for Gokarna had already gone. So I got an auto rickshaw and then it was dark in the auto rickshaw. So it's only now that I've got a chance to film. So it was a little bit more expensive to travel home. They charged me 100 rupees per bus. Then they charged me 700 for the auto rickshaw. I thought 700 was very, very reasonable for an auto rickshaw, considering it's a 45-minute journey back from Gokarna to Gokarna. So all in all, this stay cost me approximately 1,200 rupees. I think the big bulk of that was the auto rickshaw fare, but again, for an auto rickshaw, that fare was pretty reasonable. So 1,200 rupees is about £12 or around about $15. So that was an amazing day out. I don't think I will ever forget that. It was amazing. It was beautiful. So I think I will end the vlog here today. And you know the drill, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. And I'd be ever so grateful for subscriptions to my channel. And please comment below if you've got any questions about the video, or if you just want to say great vlog, or if you want to know more information about travelling, or what time the last bus is and all of that, then please comment below. Alright, thank you all very much. Shanti Shanti Shanti, Om Namah Shivaya, kisses, mwah, and see you on the next vlog. Bye for now.